I can't fall. This one guy right here. He's dancing right here. Look, 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 look. Oh, wait. Here you go. Can't fall. Hey, hey, where's Gabriel at? Where's Gabriel? What you think, Gabriel? It's good. Good job, babe. We're live. Hey, yeah. We're not live. It's live. Nope, it's not even recording. Oh, it is fucking recording. Why is there no light on the front? I don't know. I put a lot of editing. What's happening, kinfolk? Hey, man. First of all, I want to thank y'all for jumping back on to part 2 to watch the rest of the Thanksgiving weekend video. But also, man, I wanted to give a little insight on what's about to happen here. So this is Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, and I ended up having to go to work. So I was not here when this happened, but this video is going to be, this part of the video is going to be my dad actually caught a massive gar as well. They were not able to land it, but here's that footage. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video, man. And again, I appreciate all y'all's support. So thank y'all so much for hanging out. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out.
Ooh, he's massive.
Reckon you gotta get the
Babe, I think it's gonna lasso it.
reckon you gotta get the rope? Here, let me get the rope.
Yeah, get the rope. Get the rope. Oh, he lost it.
Yeah. I was about to get the rope. I can't even find my damn net.
Damn it.
What's happening, kinfolk? Man, today's Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. So my daughter and her fiance Kristy showed up. I actually brought them back. I had to go to work today, and so while I was gone, Kristy had to work today too. So after I got off of work, I went and picked them up and brought them out. They rented a camper to hang out here with us. So we're gonna do some fishing tonight. Everybody's out here. My brother showed up. He's down there. He showed up with his family, and so we're just all out here about to hang out, man, do some stuff. My dad earlier, supposedly, I did not get to see it, supposedly had a massive gar hooked up, but ended up losing it. So hopefully we can try to get him back again tonight, and we'll try to get that. But what y'all think of Spoonbill so far? So we just got here, right, a little bit ago, and they got a camper rented. My brother's got a camper rented. So what do you think about Spoonbill so far?
I love it.
Yeah?
I love it.
So
it's cold.
It's cold. This one here, we had to stop at Buc-ee's to get her a sweater because she didn't have enough damn clothes.
I got like 3 layers of clothes.
So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get them fishing pole hooked up, man, so Kristy can start fishing and Sia can start fishing over there and see if we can catch something up. So we're gonna do that, drink some more beer, and then we'll get back with y'all in a little bit when something happens. Hey?
Yeah. What is it?
Oh, black drum. Hey, yeah, bro. Get this shit, man.
The shrimp was bigger.
The shrimp was bigger.
Salud. Salud.
To family.
Friends. Health. And tequila. And my dog.
And big fish.
And big fish.
Arriba, para abajo, para el centro.
I skipped all that.
This is Bennie. Bennie's here. Bennie done started it.
Get the rope.
Oh, shit. So this is my brother-in-law's buddy, Bennie.
Hey, but you guys want to keep it?
Hey, pull the lines in. Pull lines in. Pull lines in. Pull lines in.
You got one, man.
I don't think that's a gar, dude.
That's a gar.
I don't think so. I think it's a redfish, bro. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Look at Bennie doing his thing, man.
No, I'm good.
It looks like either a shark or a red.
That's a redfish. Come over this way.
Yeah, get rid of all the benches.
Let him work himself a little bit. Careful, be careful. Oh, he's wrapped around. He's wrapped around. He's wrapped around. Hang on. Come over here.
When you need it.
There you go. Hey, right here. Okay, hang on. Okay,
Yeah.
hold him there.
We got him.
Hold him there.
Is that
line loose?
Is that red or a drum?
Yeah, it's a redfish. Hang on, Gabriel.
All right, here.
Go ahead, pull it up, Gabriel. Pull it up. Yeah. There you go.
All right, throw him back. Right on. You got
Congratulations. Good
Who-
job,
who-
Benny.
Who wants it? 'Cause I don't want it.
There you go, bro. Pick him up. Take some pictures, bro.
Come on, Benny.
Damn.
Pretty red. Hey, that's the size of my
Twin?
brother-in-law car.
Nah, he's good.
You think so?
Y'all don't like red?
41.
41.
How come you
42.
Hold on, cause let me stretch him out a little bit.
It's too hard.
Oh.
42.
42.
42
I
inches.
forgot because we got them too big. It don't
Beautiful.
taste good.
42.
Looks like real hard.
So release them in there. It's soft. You want to throw it back?
Yeah.
Fat.
You guys don't want it?
No. It's
Benny,
too big, dude.
do the honor.
Have y'all ate them that big?
All right.
Easy. Nice and easy. Work them.
Catfish.
Look at that. Croaker. Bait fish, girl. Bait fish. Gabriel got one too?
Nice croaker.
Oh no, he said no. That's croaker. That's a good bait fish, girl.
What did I do with it?
You gonna eat them up?
Hell
You're
yeah.
welcome. I put mine.
Like really good tasting.
Yeah, this is
Girl, get it, girl. What you got right there?
Croaker, I guess. I don't even know. Mom just made it. Look.
Your mama just made that?
Yeah.
Bet. That's perfect, man.
Isn't
Go
it
give me some
warm?
money,
I like
girl.
that.
Go give me some money.
Hold on. Oh, yeah. That's perfect.
Hell yeah, that's legit.
Tell her I'll buy one for $30 right now.
Ah, damn. Benny is doing it again.
Hey, somebody wants to maybe pull Ray's fishing.
Yeah. Hey, pull this in, Kristy. Dude, that thing was screaming, bro. That thing was screaming. Yeah, that's another red. He said, "Why you pulling us?" By the way, that's my brother out there, Kim folk, just out there hanging out.
It's 3 feet in,
Oh
6 feet out.
shit!
Huh? Mine took forever to come in.
Not showing his face yet.
Yeah. Oh, here he is. You see him?
I mean, he kind of broke the top of the water a little bit.
Shit. Oh yeah.
Okay, you're not talking about this.
Huge.
Yeah.
That's a black drum.
Black drum, yo.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Hey, you gonna break that neck?
Hold it from the bottom, right?
Hey,
There you
yeah.
go.
That's the black drum.
God dang.
Wow.
Big old drum, dude.
All right.
Holy cow, look at the daggum head. Look at the head on that thing.
These guys are fat. That's why he stayed out there so long.
So stupid.
Run him this way. Run him this way in the
Nice job.
grab him by his gills.
Damn, Benny.
Grab him by his gills and pull him out of there.
Here, just
Oh, he was almost getting off.
Man.
really?
Yeah.
It came out the hook?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Damn.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh, y'all caught that on a crab?
Yeah. Apparently they like crab. That's what happened to me last time.
The bait.
That's like what, 30 pounds? 35 pounds?
You think the other one was bigger?
Longer, but not probably as big.
Gee, look at the head on that thing, dude. That's what happens, man. He had the crab. Benny over there tearing him up again. God dang it, Benny. Drum magnet. Hell yeah. All right, we're gonna continue on. We got a little fire here. Everybody just hanging out. We've been fishing all day, but that's actually the first. That's the first fish we've caught.
Today, yeah.
Yeah, today. So it's but we're gonna keep on. So we'll see you here in a little bit. Get my hair out of the way. My Don King out of the way. All right, we'll see y'all. See, nice and easy. Oh, that's a good one, girl. That's a good one. There it is right there. Look, there it is right there. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Shit, yeah. Get a net. Get a net.
Where's the net? I don't know.
There you go. There you go. Kristy finally got her one. Bring her in. Bring her in. I think it's a black drum.
Hey, do I take this one out?
Is it a red, bro? Yeah, it's a red. Yeah, take it out, baby. Nice, Kristy. That's a good one. Yeah, let him wear himself down a little bit. Let him wear himself down. Bring him in. All right, bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him in towards Gabriel. Bring him towards Gabriel. That's a perfect one. All right, hang on. Let him do his thing. Let him do his thing. Woo, Kristy! Hell yeah! Look at that thing, man. Finally.
Okay, I can go to bed.
Nice.
Let me see.
That's a good size.
Yeah.
Oh shit, it's still in the about slot, well, a little bit over slot. Yeah, I think it's over. Yeah, but it's
Well, first fish,
Yes.
first red.
Yes.
Gotta give her a kiss.
Oh no.
Let's measure it out real quick. Here, hold
no.
this seat.
squeeze it. That's perfect.
Beautiful.
28.
Let's see.
What was it? What was it?
28.
28.
Yeah.
Oh, you can eat it.
Why not?
We'll that bed.
All right. Beautiful. Bennie got one too.
Oh, it's a black drum.
Oh, the black drum. Hell yeah, man.
What?
Nice. Yeah. Bennie killing them, boy. Bennie killing them. Damn.
If you could have kept it.
Dude, that's a big one too, bro.
Hey, Justin, I wouldn't keep it.
Yep, that'd have been good if you could keep it.
Hey, pet it. Pet it right into my lap.
Hell yeah. So everybody's catching them, baby. What's wrong with your shrimp? Huh? Still there. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. Got a little bitty one.
When I see the other side.
Hell yeah. Good job, girl.
Look at its little.
Oh, hell, kinfolk. That's a croaker, though, huh? Let me see. Yeah, that's a croaker, babe. So Myers out here doing some early morning fishing and already caught some croaker.
Finally.
Man. Nice. Let's see. Look at that thing. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, let me get him. Don't bust the line, though. Daddy kick your ass.
Oh, it's a black drum. Looks like. No, it's a redfish.
Redfish, huh?
Hopefully his scales don't cut the line.
Dude, come over here and hook him with the. Here, I'll grab him with the.
Where's the
I'll
net?
just grab my hand.
He went to go get the net. That's a red? Yeah.
Yeah, big dog. There you go.
Dude, that is a red. Nah,
Hell yeah, D.
his tail.
D, get on that, D. Get on that, D.
Grab it.
Yeah. Hell yeah, dude.
Right. Thank you, Papa.
Nice. Alright, kinfolk, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. That's it. We've dropped the camper off. We're headed to the house to finish unloading everything. So we had an amazing time. I just want to thank everybody that came out. All the family, man. It was awesome. What an amazing Thanksgiving we had this year. So yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. So until next time, make sure you check us out again. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell. Till next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.